Let's watch this video clip real quick here. Not much to it, right? So let's try this again here. Nothing about this video clip has changed at all the second time around, besides the sound that I've added to it. I'm Bradley Denniston. I've worked on films like The Lego Movie, 22 Jump Street, and Thor Ragnarok, just to name a few. And today, I get to introduce you to Soundtrap for Education's new video scoring feature. So let's dive right in. Now, when we talk about scoring to video, we really are talking about storytelling. Think of the video itself as another sort of text. We can look at what's happening on screen, decide what we think the story is trying to communicate, and then continue writing the story using sound. And that doesn't mean you need to be a musician. You can use loops, instruments, sound effects, Foley, recorded voices, or any combination of those things to completely change how an audience experiences the exact same picture. And when video import is enabled by your school Soundtrap subscription owner, you can even use your own video directly in the studio and build your story around that. So more on that later in this video. All right, now let's tell a story with some scoring to picture. This will be really fun. All we want to do here is new video scoring project. You're going to open this up and you're going to see automatically the video library opens up. So you can grab a video and we can start telling a story with the sound. I'm going to just grab this one. It looks like a little video game, Jumping Scout here. I'm going to hit the plus button. It'll populate, preview the video, make it a little bit bigger so we could see it. Let's check it out without any sound and kind of think about where we want to take this story. It's so funny because right away I have sounds in my head, you know, just doing this for so long, like being in music for almost 30 years. But for you, you might go, oh, this is a dangerous adventure. To me, I'm thinking playful, nostalgic. We want some momentum first off for the character because they're kind of hobbling around and it's a little bit slow pacing, but I want this to be picked up in pace. So we'll go to the sound library here and I'm just going to grab some drums. We'll go percussion. And let's check out some percussion and drums here. We want to give the character momentum, like they're actually going somewhere. All right, found a cool percussion that I like. I'm just going to add it right to the project. If I go here, I can loop it out towards the whole video length. And let's watch this and listen to this. Ooh, that was unexpected. I didn't even know that was in the loop. That was really cool. So now we have the adventure happening, right? We got some momentum. What's next? Let's make this kind of playful because it's adventurous, but in my head, I want to make a playful scene. Other people might translate this as a dangerous adventure, right? So I'm thinking playful just because I see the nostalgic kind of feeling in the picture as well. So let's go and create a instrument track. And in here, we just want to go to play the synth. I'll go in here, open up instruments, and let's do like a guitar. And let's preview some of these guitar sounds. That's perfect. The muted acoustic really is playful to me, right? So I just double clicked and now I have this open. Now I don't need to know music theory. And honestly, I don't know very much music theory myself. And I've been making music for a very long time. And with this, all I got to do is go to the chords here. And this will be like the starting point. Very simple to do. I'm in basic mode here. You can go EDM or hip hop as well, but I'm going to go basic and I'm just going to start clicking C, F, G. We're just going to put these on the timeline. So all you got to do is hit this plus button. Very simple. The playing style is the key here though. I want a rhythmic kind of playful thing going on. So let's go like eighths. That would be perfect. Now let's hit C. Let's go to F. These are all the major, you know, if you see the M at the end, the lowercase m, that's going to be a minor chord. So we want to keep the minor chords to a minimum when we're thinking about playful. Let's just keep it very major and happy. Okay, so we got C, F, G, and let's turn around to like an A minor. And then we'll just basically loop that out. So I'll grab all these, I'll option, drag it over, and now I've looped that. And let's play this and just hear it and see where we're going. we're on our way, right? Like the adventure is going. Like now I'm excited. It's kind of fun, you know, keeping my attention. I think the other thing I want to do to tell the story a little bit more doesn't even have to do with music. It could just be a sound effect of when the character is jumping, or how about when they're getting the coin, right? Let's go here and let's go to just Foley. Let's just type in Foley. And if I scroll to the bottom here, I'll find some cool Foley stuff. Let's think about this and check these out. Maybe a laser beam. Yeah, I like the laser beam. So every time that the character grabs a coin, we're going to have a laser beam effect happen, right? So that's going to be telling our story of like, whoa, this is like super powerful adventure going on, right? It's not just that ding, right? This is intense. So let's check this out against the picture and just watch and see where this story's going. Now, every time the character gets the coin, we got this little laser beam sound happening. That can be really fun, right? Pew, 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 pew. And this is just telling a story, an adventure. It's playful. It's nostalgic feeling, you know, and the character is going somewhere. The percussion is giving it momentum. And this is the beginning of telling a story with sound. And the cool thing is, you're not limited to the videos already inside Soundtrap. When video import is enabled, you can bring your own video into the studio and use that as a starting point for any assignment. So imagine being able to create a short scene for an ELA project and then using music and sound to communicate what the character is feeling. For science, they could import footage of an experiment or a nature scene, add narration and create a soundtrack around that. Or they could create a short historical scene, an animation, a video game sequence, or even something they shot themselves. The video gives us the story. Soundtrap gives us another way to continue telling that story. So have fun with it, and I hope you got a lot out of this video and you come up with some really creative ways to teach and to learn.